through the course of the night. But I don't want to start the morning begging, Lord. So I'm asking you, please, just give me the strength to deal with the 10 of them in here this morning. Father God, if I should have raised the rent in here this morning, it's my business. If I should have raised it 2, 3, 4 times, it's still my business. But if the girl over there ever object, just give me the strength to get it on backside out your father. Now make me just take. Well, on the father, look what me are your reason. Rotted bone, pants, rotted on shirt. Me never know say me have that gas car up here. Chickali.
Mr. Big, why is it all the time I try to get some rest inside, you always try to film me from the wrong side?
Chickali, I feel this?
No.
Good.
But Mr. Big, you can't throw the man clothes outside.
Man?
No, I'm not a man.
Chickali, you got money to my house?
No, I'm a brother.
Oh, are your brother?
Yeah.
Well, here, when you do for me now, God tell you blasted. She, me, and brother say, me, say, him to come out of me house. How it is?
Chickali, what do you want nice thing? Look at the pass, make close.
Ask Mr. Big to them and just throw them outside.
Yo, big man. Go pick up them bomb, clack. Oh, get him back.
I don't know what you're dealing with. Hey, you, stop my boy. How you talk to?
Yo, me mother stammer, but this not stammer. Go pick up me bomb, clack. Yo, me will take care of that. Look how fast you will come take me close. That's what I do.
Oh, fucking right. Sit down here.
Bring me close.
Bring them calm. So you bring them on, come up, come. Me coming. You know what to say me just up here talk to her about the rent?
Wow, 1 to 2 rent.
No, me as I like how she no pay no rent, she no fi bother pay none. Mr. Sugar, where your name again? Where you say your name again?
Sugar.
Mr. Sugar, sir, you know to tell me what's just up here saying? What a nice young lady she is. Yes, man! That is why when me rent her the place up here, me rent her it furnished. So that she not fi struggle with nothing come up here. And so when she left here, she not fi struggle with nothing come out here. Me check for her, my friend.
Yo, I'm an step.
But Sugar, you don't give me rent money?
Wow, you know here what a big man. You just said.
You know here when me just said Chickali, man. You know here when me just look on you and tell you, say, man. Me look on you and tell you, say, Chickali. Please see the right way. Yes, man, make me say anything, please. Me ask for make money, please. Come up with me money. All the while, you don't think that's all I come up and come rent out, man, can't stick to you and tell you come pay me. Me want me rent. Yes, man, all the while I be a long cocky hard when you have to get my rent all the while, so man. Me money come give me, you think me I use the money too.
Yo, Chicali. Come here. Where me come here last night, me have some money in my pocket. And no in there. One for the money.
Ask me some big thing to your clothes outside.
Big man, one for the money.
What you? Me tell you the truth, you know, Mr. Sugar. I don't know one thing about your money.
Yo, me I give you three give me my money.
Chicali.
One.
Chicali. The man tell me give me three to kill me, you know, man. You not explain to the man and tell him how the money go.
Explain your blasted self, you know you want a big man.
Two.
I told the man reaching that Chicali when you want the man. Hey! Now pull it, Chica, now pull it, don't pull it. Now pull it. Me have the money, man, me have the money, me have the money. Me have the money, man, the money are coming up, but it itch. See there. See there. You now check it. Chicali, you don't call all of something the robbery.
Mr. Biggs, please send me receipt. Mr. Biggs, give me my blasted receipt.
Hurry up. Why not me one house man a draw gun for me in a door? But it's quite alright, man. Me a telling you, Bertha was alive, you know. All them something wouldn't happen to me. But it's alright, man. But stop. You know what that little girl is supposed to come home anytime soon in a fair time of the month now. I should him call and say, boy, daddy, I am coming home now. Love come unexpected. But it's alright. Last time she begged me to buy small in a panty size. The next time she said medium. A big, she get big. It's alright. I have the solution for them. Me have the solution for them. Sure. Hold on, right. Me ain't supposed to go check up the part my money, man. Supposed to be paying part.
I have a call for me tonight now.
Thing when phone bill come here.
Hey, hold on, a call for me. Me call about. Hello? Yes, please hold. Mr. Big, I hear a call.
I am not here. Tell me about your teeth in brother can't contact with the house. Me not there.
Mr. Big, come on, young lady.
Young lady there, you know fit talk. You know fit talk. You know fit talk, son, man. You know fit talk. Just smack it up on the phone, man. Hello, Mr. Big's residence. How may I help you, please? Rosie? Rosie, are you? That Rosie, that you call me if you tell me Rosie, man. Me not tell you so I can't call at the phone number, Rosie, man, because last week $100 the phone bill call come through and it stressed me out. Yes, Rosie, man, and the wickedest part you wouldn't give me, I could change out of the money. Yes, Rosie, man. So, Rosie, the blasted girl got the phone and then you went check home and I got she called me from. But it's alright, man. Run up phone bill, you wait till when they come here and then want money. You when I don't try for billing at this ras.
Mr. Big, you not hear the door?
You hear the door? So why the ras you not gonna answer it? You see nobody not gonna go to me up here?
Mr. Big, stop the door.
Who is that here?
Mr. Blackwood.
Mr. Who?
Me can't explain that to you.
Who the hell is Mr. Blackwood?
Mr. Biggs, let me tell you something. Mr. Biggs, I want you to help me out here, but I promise you, something in it for for you. All I want you to do, let him in, make him comfortable, and they go slip into something more comfortable.
Well, on, you got me be comfortable and let him in and sleep. You're afraid of you? No, man, now we catch you back one day. Aye, kick it off for me now, please. Kick it off. Just kick it off. If you can't back away, kick it off.
So you must be the great landlord, Mr. Biggs. So your name, so does your figure. Blackwood.
Submissive.
Mr. Biggs, do Chicali spoke a lot about me?
Look here, Nasa. I was told to let you in. Make your coming come comfortable. And as of the looks of things, you are quite comfortable. Nobody never said me if you turn out your chat to you.
Oh, come on, Mr. Biggs. We are grown people. Can we at least socialize?
Out of my house with politics. Come out of my house with politics. I would need a life to socialize, laborize, not otherwise.
So, Mr. Biggs, where is my baby? I need to get my baby now.
I want to be put up nurse out of the front of me here. Mr. D, you need to kindergarten mark for me door when they're coming here.
No, sir.
Mr. Blackwood, you're here! Mr. Biggs, have you met Mr. Blackwood, my daddy?
Her daddy.
Oh, your daddy! They're making never tell me so long time, Chicali, man. And all the while, you know, me tell you, I said, boy, something look fishy.
Mr. Biggs, do you have any RC?
No, the fuse blow, the fuse blow. The fuse blow. But well on there. Me can ask a little question, please?
No problem.
Chicali, true word. Chicali, you take everything for your mama, do? For you not take nothing for your father, only the black hood. Hey! Go on, man. Move faster than the man and go for yourself. Well, Sean, Mr. Black Daddy, walk on in.
And I came today, man.
You came today?
I came today.
Boy, the roof of the car, the sand the floor, and them want fix if they dig up, you see, Mr. Black?
So what can I do for you?
Hello!
Hold on. Sit now, chat to me. What is the problem?
Me that like to excuse me for a minute. Me want to have a private conversation with me daddy.
Huh? In me one house.
Yes, daddy.
Chicali, that is a garbage heap power.
Me anything you want, class, my daddy.
Chicali.
Daddy, look here. You see right now?
Yeah. You can ask that question, Chicali. In all the house in Montego Bay, why you choose to get the whole S1?
Daddy, that is the point. You're too fast. You come on vacation, spend your vacation.
So, Chicali, that man really thinks of me your father?
Well, as him say, no one a man inside them house. I mean, why you to come in here, so I have to tell you, say your family.
Here we go, take out my glasses and bust some foreign balls.
Mr. Black Daddy! Mr. Black Daddy! On a shot lock door! Hey! Mr. Black Daddy! Me want you make out something banana and try for me, please, sir. My eyesight is getting a bit. Mr. Black Daddy,
I'm hearing it.
Take out the glass and hear me now, man.
Well, I'm still cold, you know.
Okay, okay. I mean, why you make the name up on the land title here, please, sir? Write down here, sir.
Where?
Read it down the bottom here, sir.
Mr. Zephaniah Aganaya Gonaraya Biggs.
Thank you. For me thinking it change. Me think of your daughter named the panic. Hi, this lady. But over there, so you're private renting. Please, so dark, your father rot over there, so go private. Over you take me living room. Me want to use my living room.
Come, Daddy, come.
Go ahead, I came
Come
in.
with Daddy.
Don't choke me.
Come on.
Because daddy, me want to talk to you about that door where you have it now.
Daddy, not enough time for you right now.
Yes.
Daddy, one more rabbit must have to them and walk and tell everybody about it.
Your ex-news?
No, Daddy.
Come here, baby.
No. Dalang Rupert, Dalang. Well done, the mate. No, man, my door, the only rascal door, can that. Nobody now here.
You know, nah.
And you did that now? You know me, you did nothing yet, but me never know how they say that knock and me never listen which part the knock come from.
Yo, Chicalini, come see me.
You can't visit Chickadee!
So yo, wow, we are fried liver.
Me not frighten you, me only ask you to come visit.
You have a problem with that?
Problem? No problem. No problem.
So you have move some monkey.
Cause somebody fling stone out of me while I live and tell you come visit Chickadee.
Chicalini?
No, me don't know what this mean, but did I see the shadow?
Big man.
Yes.
Me save Chicalini in there.
No, shit. What you say? Hold on. What you say? Me not hear where you can talk up in a big man. Me not understand dumb language, you know, man. What you say? Man, I'll shot me. I'll come back. Eh?
Let me say one.
What you say?
Wow. How you move, sir?
No, me not move no way. You see me I move no way.
Yeah, where Chicalini?
Chickadee, she's supposed to go a long time. She got with her father.
Hold on.
Eh?
Our father there?
Yes.
Yeah, no. So wait, you know she soon come back?
No, you can't check me on that, you know, me don't know. Me don't know.
What you mean now?
Yeah.
Tell her, say,
Yeah.
they soon come back, yo?
Yeah, man.
And yo,
Yo!
that means me must come back, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you come back on that if you do.
But tell me the one you got here them time of the day, do you? Him right here, when about you were ago.
I mean, I talk to.
Chicali, came here and spoke to me now. Who was that? I said, who was that?
My brother.
Who?
My brother.
Your brother.
Yes.
You mean to tell me that your brother was here?
Yes.
Will he be coming back soon?
Yes. No. Yes.
I will set away.
No, I mean yes. I mean no. I mean
Chicali.
yes. Yes, he's coming back, but no, you cannot see.
Chicali.
He's not coming back for today, Daddy.
Why?
Daddy, let me tell you something. You see my brother? Him sort of a little bit funny. Watch for them something there now. Then it's not them something there, man. What me mean say funny in them ways.
Okay.
Me never explain and tell him say it's a hole. So you have to give me like a time and I explain to him.
Okay.
And And you go down and you bash out and you come back on me. Family reunion.
I love your style. You know you don't change a bit.
No, me love and not
Listen,
change.
you think I still love you new? I never stop.
Yes.
Anyway, I have to run now, so when I came back later, I fox you up.
All right, Daddy.
What?
Oh, Mr. Daddy, sir, me want to talk to you about the rent.
I can't talk to you, I have to run.
Me want to talk to you about the rent.
Oh, the rent. I don't got a problem with your rent.
Free your own mother and your man for rent.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, later. You saw the money and it chokes you. You think?
That's before me, that's the water. Phone bill, 2,300, now me do a make dollar call on it. How the bill come? You get money, you're too good. You get money.
This one to you, Mr. Biggs.
No, but that's when the man give you money, pay for next month rent and the following month rent and other month rent now.
What about the backside? This family month don't have a big late anymore 3 months rent.
No, natural leap year, that's why me I collect for early.
Okay, Mr. Biggs.
Hear me now, Chicali. You notice me want to talk to you for the end of the year?
He ain't take some money you want chat.
Yes. You and the brother.
Let him.
True last word.
Let him.
You go on a bun your gate. Lord, no follow me a mix up.
Let him.
Yeah, man. You done now?
Talk your talk.
Hear me now. You and the brother, when you're sugar, only see your mother and father.
Mr. Biggs, it's alright, you know. Me not gonna explain that to you, you know. But
Yeah, man.
between me and you, not supposed to left this here house here.
It not left the house. So the only way to left the house is me chat. And me not chat. Me not tell nobody.
Well, you say sugar, it is not my brother.
Me didn't know a man. Father must say your mama dirty teeth in ways in take off. For your father is such a nice man.
And you say daddy
Eh.
is not my father. You get the message now?
Hold on there, Chicali. Hold on. Bring back round that story there to me then.
Sugar is not my brother. Mr. Blackwood, as otherwise known as Daddy, is not my father.
Me get the matches now. So hold on there. When you try to listen now, the one when named Sugar and the one when named Daddy. Hi, Ukubit. Hi, little children. Look how you something little bit where you find place keep two man.
Mr. Biggs, as me just tell you, say you not understanding, I'm going to explain it to you. Sit down and me explain this to you.
Yes, me love talk, let me hear them.
You see the one Daddy in? Daddy in take care of my rent, my light, my water, my food and everything. But, hey, Mr. Daddy in short in a one little area. You see where Daddy in short? And that's what the boy Sugar take up. Me say, Sugar no have no money picking me up, but me say, the boy Sugar, he know fit on me inside, outside, wrong side. Me feel like me and a bus just alright. So you see, one have the body and one have the money.
Me just get the matches. So what on now? When you try to tell me say no, one a mine and one a grind.
You're lucky. Me a go and hold on for the liquor when me got till better come. Then I'm off. You're lucky. Who? Daddy, mama food stamp and rent board. Who? The one Sugar in? Him do have not dry shit for me. The only thing can give me is a good ride. But you don't know. So the boy told him mama half here.
Where's the old boy for that? Who are you? I got it.
Me say Arcade. Arcade. You know that I want to understand what I'm about Arcade today.
Hola. Chicali. Where you just say a while ago?
To understand what I'm about Arcade today.
Somebody dead.
Lord Jesus.
Who born them?
Sugar, I never got nothing to keep back by the body of the road.
Tell me how.
We don't know which one.
No, you don't know.
No, Sugar, look here, let me tell you something. The police are dealing with it.
But you tell me what the fuck you have to tell me police? Police can't do it. Me can't do it.
Yes, Sugar, let me tell you something. Sugar, members say my family, they're not doing you.
But when I tell you, say, your cousin like her family to me.
Yes,
and if I want this cousin, this me. Tell me how.
Sugar, what I want, Sugar?
Don't tell me what I want, but with the book clap.
But the box said you have to go on, Sugar.
Did I want boy,
Yeah.
Cause start.
When you there in prison, who you see? Me alone. Then I might family business with you. Just calm yourself and sit down, you know. Because me alone, I run up and down and go to court when you're not trouble.
Well, if you say so, you say so. But if you say somebody be dead, you know somebody dead.
Sugar, just easy yourself, man, and go and go like that. I want to you.
Hold on, me you say, you fired up here, I come for me, you know. Because me well want me, one of your family.
My father? You're just missing.
You lie.
Yes.
That mean he soon come back?
No, I'm coming back, but not for today.
Hold on, where is it? He might come back and...
Yes, but not for today.
You know me, you tell him about me?
No, Sugar, I want to talk to you. I just said that. Sit down. Sit down, Sugar, I have to talk to you. This is very important.
Yo, Chicali, every time you hear talk about you want to talk to me, you come with some fuckery, you know.
Sugar, if you not sit down and listen to me, you're not going to hear. And this is family matter. Come sit down here, so.
See me sit down.
Sugar, you know, so from the other day, I don't like how me I live.
How you mean you don't like how you live?
How you
mean? You're not a parent. You know you're weak and good clothes. How the fuck you mean how you mean by you don't like how you live?
But how you going to do if you not listen? Here,
because you talk about people foolish you tell man.
Sugar,
But you don't like how you like.
Honey, that's fooling yourself. I want you. You're going to be a fool. Just come sit down here. Sugar, as me don't tell you, say me not like how me I live. And as you don't know, say nothing now run. And the little motorgram people, them go tell my father, say me there with bad man.
Somebody dead.
Lord God of mercy.
Who tell your father?
God live with me, I don't know who.
Chicali, you know so that thinking long about girl, where you keep tell your father them.
If I go to
Sugar,
it's not even.
me we go out and go look for that.
It's not even. Even that business that is you're fighting against my friend, I mean, Sugar.
I know even.
No.
That means a big old stinking landlord, a big papa. I'm saying so.
No.
Hey, so.
Sugar, me say no him, Sugar. Sugar, me say big no business with me now. You from Jesus Christ. From me say big to get him rent, me say big no business with me now, Sugar. Don't stop them something, no, Sugar.
I am vexed.
All right, Sugar, me know you're vexed, but you what? You don't know me love you already.
Sure.
And Sugar, just calm yourself and go and go lie down here. Nobody make nothing worry you, calm me.
Me just feel like sure.
Go and go lie down here.
Sure.
What a blast to the old man I want. Yes, hello, yes, Daddy. Hear what happened? My brother just called. Yes, he said now come back over for the deal. Yes. So you know about to come up here, yeah, Daddy? No, man. Me come meet you down the road. Yes. Daddy, me say me come meet you. All right. Wait for me at the corner here. All right then, bye. Sugar!
Yeah.
Me soon come here. Go and ask you to see where I'm going with Tony.
No, move. Me come with you.
Where you do? Sugar! No, I even carry me. You don't know you're not carrying me.
No one about a long neck thinking more What? Go on, man.
What Sugar?
You're going to hit up some battle work. Calm me. Go on.
What I even talk on the right?
Yeah, man. Go on with the ride. You know, so that girl, they move fast. Yo. Get pa, me want talk to you. Do me a favor now. Go down the history, you see? And tell him, say, the machine, I'm let him go on. Yeah. Now I want to know. Yeah. Cool.
Not bad. Whew.
Yo. Yawa.
Excuse me. Who are you? I asked a question. Who are you?
Me did ask you already.
My name is Rosie. I'm Mr. Big's daughter. Are you a boarder here?
No.
Are you one of my father's friends?
No.
So, excuse me here. What are you doing here and how did you get in?
Tell me something. Yeah, police are ya liar. They know you ask me so much question. Yeah, more question.
I don't think so. Could you kindly leave, please?
Wait, just say.
I know I did a stutter a while ago. I asked you to leave.
No. You are asked me, Philip. No, me not move. Take me out. Yes, when she can come back. Tell her say, me super. That means me must come back.
All right, Mr. Houdini.
Yeah. Me name Sugar.
Oh, yes.
Me know Houdini. Me pushing it.
send you go to basic school, where you come home and call me?
Dada.
When me there send you go to primary school, where you come home and call me?
Daddy.
And now you're going to college, you come home calling me Pa? So when me send you go to university, you come home and now where you come home and call me? Eh? Why you come and come call me? Poop! No matter when they push you say you're Rosie. Come in them. Me in them papa. Come on the papa dear. Oh. Yeah, see to
Come on, Pa, don't be like that.
So Rosie man.
Seriously no, Pa. Who was that guy?
Who? The brother with us if anything. I get over you some man. Sometime I relative or something man.
You mean Miss Lana?
Who? Be if he come backside long time.
So is this one any better?
Like the devil in a hell.
Pa, I told you over and over again, if you're going to have boarders who are going to give you problems, then don't rent this place at all.
But was it that easy for you, say? But when the book money fi fine and the college fee fi pay up, me can't tell you say me now rent out the place. Remember say me now work with government, you know the one who used to work with government, you know how that go.
Pa, please. Please don't start talking about Mom. Hey, just gonna go on and on.
Well, Rosie, I tell you don't even know in a Rosie. Every time I remember your mother in a Rosie, me heart grieve, you know.
Pa, understand.
I remember the day when I meet your mother.
It was a warm December evening. She was wearing a blue skirt, purple blouse, yellow boots, with a nice green hat. Rosie, then the time that your mama didn't look me, you know.
Yeah, stand up there and mock me. Stand up there and mock me.
Oh, just calm down.
Rosie, now stand up there and mock me, my friend. This is not a joke. You know, so the time you come on to your mother, you know, Rosie, you have to play with your mother and me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to emotional and get about the subject.
So, Rosie, man. And to the fact that you look like her so much, it's not because your mother keeping me going day in and day out. So I can stand up there and mock me, man, and go and like it a joke thing.
Pa, just forgive me now. I have some great news for you that I know will cheer you up. I'm doing very well in school, and I know you're going to be proud of me.
Well, Rosie, you better do well in the school, you know. For the heap some money me have spent by your face and you go to college. Hey, well, all the while, Mr. Q said, Rosie, make you just hard a half bag of rice, couple tin of mackerel. But now, how big life you want to live? You want to go sling down Burger King and McDonald's.
Mackerel? Ew.
Woo! Well, excuse me, Mistress EU. For your information, in the 60s was only one mackerel. And now in the 90s, and now you got mackerel. You got Eve mackerel. You got Grace mackerel. You got Alaska mackerel. How you know when me hear them I come with next? Alaska mackerel. What is the problem?
Give me a chance to explain now.
All right, Rose, explain.
Come and have a seat.
Why you pull me now this and a sweet map and what sitting good here and tell me?
Well, as you know, I started my social science course last year.
Have mercy upon me, Lord. Rose, you're gonna college, gonna study up here?
Pa, listen. Social science is a subject, Pa. It's a subject, alright? Anyway.
Yeah, sorry if you open your foot, so sorry.
Anyway, Pa, I'm proud to report I got an A in econ, a B in sociology, A in psychology, and a B in political science.
How about them there you just call out avenue name or how about them there?
Pa, those are subjects.
Subject?
Yes.
Well, Rosie, to tell you the truth, I don't understand a word you just said. But it's one part me understand and it's the letter part. Now, Rosie, to my God, Me I send you to school in for much years now. And Rosie, all you can tell me say you come home with is A and B. Rosie, the first two letters of the alphabet. Rosie, you didn't get to S or a T. Rosie, your school is done and me done job. Not on your backside, man. Not on your backside. Oh, hey, oh, you see the girl who live over here, son? You see this head girl who live over here, son? This head girl will pay the rent. This head rent me a take a spend for yourself in college. She not get half the schooling where you get. And you see when that they are coming, hey, you see when that the girl they are coming here, she are coming here with letters. Oh, yeah. When she are coming here, she are coming here with her VD, her STD, her HIV. Positive and that twinger. Now you know what the girl has studied to bring coming here next? Her AIDS. So you can turn the talk. Who I get so much college in for much years now? I can't talk about you only get A and B. Rosie, you nothing get one Z. Rosie, your school days done and me done chat.
Paul, you know it is obvious that your mental capacity are fully disallowed to understand certain aspects of life. And trust me, you're completely unaware of what you just said.
And what are the girls about underneath? Oh, this look like underneath the black up. Eh? Why, oh, me didn't tell you something hard for peace.
Paul,
You can't talk about me mental passage black up. Me passage look like it black up to you.
I don't believe this.
Don't come and tell me that my passage is black up and my passage is not black up.
Paul, will you just calm down and stop this nonsense?
Sure, Rosie, man, every time you talk, you make me blood pressure fly all the while, you know, man.
Imagine, I come here trying to relate my achievements to you. I tell boy turn on personal life, Paul.
Lord Rosie, I you mention your mama, man, my blood pressure fly out, man, and my arthritis just take me. All right, man. Anyway, Rosie, sit down, never such a when you pass for me.
What's that?
Sit down, no, man, let me talk to you, no, man. Hi, look here. Look here.
Yes,
I
Paul.
was told you when you pass for me.
What's that?
D as in black daddy.
D, as in Black Daddy. What are you talking about?
All right. You see the girl who live over there, so? She one of two men come here to her.
Oh.
One is her daddy, one is her brother.
Okay.
You see the one when named daddy? You see when you are talk about money, check daddy. Them man they make money.
So what about our brother?
Name me well why you hear about the brother. You hear me now? When you see the brother, he my bad man and thief, nobody asks nothing more about him. Him not know like a part with good in a himself.
Paul,
What is it?
there's no such thing as a bad man. That's what we say when someone is misunderstood.
Well, there is no misunderstood here, sir. Me say all me know him is a blasted gunman and a thief.
Paul, listen. You have to understand that there's a logical explanation for every situation in life.
Hey, Rosie, me I warn you, I'm never warn you, silent, I'm never warn you again. You hear me now? Me not understand why you just tell me this now. Bad word you tell me in French, you know. Don't use them words to me again, you know.
I'm sorry, I won't. So tell me something. Paul, how do I fit into all of this?
Now that is where you're talking now. Hear me now. You see like you is a college student, you is a likable child. Hear me now. You see when your daddy come in here, all they want you to do is, you know, you sit,
Yeah.
you meet with him, and you greet with him.
Okay.
You talk with him, you reason with him. You tell him how the little money thing a go, you know, it a run short, and with a like little makeup, you know.
No.
The mo-
Stop right there. I don't even believe you're suggesting something like that.
Suggesting what, Rosie? All me say to do is sit with the man,
Excuse
talk
me.
with him, and tell him how the financial part of it go, you know. It's sort of run low,
Hello?
and you look
Hello?
a little sponsorship.
Excuse me?
What?
Not over my dead body. I will not allow you to set me up on someone I don't even know. All because of money, Paul.
You're lucky! see how you, me, and me rent are stretching out this month. So you must know how you make your way out.
Well, Paul, let me tell you how it is going to stretch. I will not belittle myself to please you or anyone. So if money is your problem, and it means so much to you, why the hell you would over there with Daddy?
Ross, Lieutenant. Excuse me, hello, excuse me. Hello, over here. I don't mean to be rude, but is it possible that you can lower the volume on your team? I'm trying to study here. Hello, excuse me. I don't think you're understanding me clearly. I'm asking you to lower the volume on your tape. It is disturbing my study. Thank you. Thank you? You think I taught me copy for you? I taught me copy because me want liberty up. Look here now, little girl. Me don't know who you. How well you are study, but me girl, a parent inside your son. So means that liberty to study my music as loud as me you want.
Well, excuse me.
You don't know who I am, do you? Well, let me take this opportunity to formally introduce myself to you. My name is Rosie. Rosie Ann Bates.
So,
Daughter to whom you are paying boarding, not rent. Which puts me in a position to ask you not to play your music so loudly. And if you insist, I can also make other arrangements for you to play it elsewhere. Like another boarding institution. Or on the streets. Look at everything, girl. Come back, you pick up your book and your things and take your little time while I'm going in your father's room. Before me have to start telling you my tree make you up. And police come up and come charge me with cruelty to the dumb animal. Professor Iris, move up and get alive. You say you blasted nose for your goggles. You know, it's very obvious that my father has very poor taste in tenants. He always seems to get the very boisterous one. Boisterous like your pooper! Nobody come in here with a little prime and proper self. And I come go on like say you're not nobody. Because me, girl, no send the family and go high school and college go learn how to catch, man.
excuse me here. Are you trying to tell me something about your life? Because if it is, I really don't want to know.
Come on, let's jump for your play for me. Hey, girl, you know what? Never tell what your family got your blood. What's your time?
Chocolate! Chocolate!
What's on here?
What happened?
No, Miss.
What happened up here?
Miss Abington, with a knife now to this. I'm going to want you on this, me. But I get up here like you know.
Oh, cheers the Chapman. Calm yourself.
Excuse me.
Hi. Why you so heated? What?
Hello. After that display of ignorance and lack of education, my dear, I doubt it very much I'd want to know. Then you put me on top of what in here,
Come on, Adama, come on. What?
You said what you done, you never done do something.
What you doing? Riding me like a jackass? You think this is Kevin as fuck? Eh? I'm not even in Jamaica for 2 weeks. Are you embarrassing me already? Just go inside and cool down for me now. Just relax before you collapse. Go and go take a bath. Christ, man. And what you ate this morning for breakfast? What a calamity. Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm better.
Could I sat? So what really taking place here?
I assume you're her father.
Who's her father?
Excuse me?
Oh, Chidali, my daughter.
Yes.
What took in place here? After the moaning and groaning and appalling.
Well, it started when I was out here studying. I asked her to lower the volume on her tape, and she took on an attitude.
No mind. Could I apologize for my daughter's behavior?
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So you must be Mr. Big's daughter.
Yes, I am.
You know, I never knew Mr. Biggs have such a lovely daughter.
Well, no, you know.
Okay, I knew. So what is your name?
Rosie.
Rosie. So all are Rosie.
I'm 19.
Yeah, what?
19.
Me rest, me can't go to prison again. So you're still in high school.
I'm in college.
You're college. So what do you study at college?
I'm studying social science.
Science. That's very good. Are you going to be home for long?
Excuse me, is your name Alex Trebek?
How would that?
For a second, I thought it was on Jeopardy.
Me Christ! And there's something where you're from. Wheel of Fortune. Hey, Rosie, you're bigger than that. Hey, you know you should have signed an autograph. You're big. Now you come on the quick oats box.
What are you talking about?
The oats box. Now you come on it. Rosie, I'm sorry for all the questions that I'm asking you. It's just that I'm a type of guy who loves to socialize.
So I've heard.
Excuse me?
Listen, Mr.
Blackwood, call my name, drop it and break it.
Mr. Blackwood, I don't mind socializing, but you see I have an assignment here that I have to complete. I'll bring it by the beginning of next semester. So I'm asking you, please, if you don't mind.
I'm going to my daughter's room. I will catch you later, okay?
Okay.
I will soon be back.
Mr. Black Daddy! Lion Power!
Yes, I'm running.
What go down?
Nothing much.
I see you sweat like a hot dog.
Under pressure.
Yeah, I like when you advertising your work. You make steel and like a galvanized steel. I like it. It looks good.
Mr. Biggs,
Yeah.
I want to tell you something. You know, sir, I met her.
You meet me lovely daughter, Mr. Black Daddy.
Yes. I never knew you had such a lovely daughter. You should be very proud.
Is me proud, Mr. Daddy, sir?
Came here. Your daughter have a merchandise there, and I want to market it for you.
Oh, you are marking my merchandise.
No.
Well, all right, hear me now. Anything me produce, me a market that Ross first. Yeah? So I take your eye off of my production. You all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Hey, one of the, you sit and talk with me daughter, yeah?
Yeah, I met her.
No, man, Rosie, you talk to him, yeah?
No, she made it antisocial, so I was run off.
Why you don't, you tell us an anti-dead man? Why you not sing for anti-name, sir? Sure. Sit and talk with her here. It's such a fool more times.
Okay.
Just sit and talk with her.
Okay.
Rosie.
Your only child?
Yeah, that's my only child. Rosie, look here now. Just sit and socialize. All right? Oh, Mr. Blackhead, you want something to drink?
Huh?
Yeah, you want something to drink?
Not really, you know.
No, me run out of the flavor there. You want champagne?
Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever. Rosie, your father is a 1 in a million. Rosie, how much dad do you think could do something like that?
Not very
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to give you a hairdo, manicure, pedicure.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, no. Yeah. We're laughing.
Me never know say you turn college teacher.
Not yet, Chicksalee.
Well, me want half feel inside you so me a wait on you.
Chicksalee, I'll be into you in a minute. Rosie, don't follow her here. You just so she behave. But remember now, I can't go fix you up. I'm going to make you have a manicure, a facial, and a facial. Okay? So remember now, I'll soon come back. Okay, darling? Love you.
Mr. Black, me rotted. When Mr. Black daddy turn,
He went to his daughter's.
when gone in the farm? When gone in the farm, man? Come, Rosie, man, you must get, come, the man, give the money, come. Run the money, come.
Paul,
What is it?
please don't start this again.
Start what, Rosie?
Listen to me, Paul. I have no interest in that man other than hi and hello. I have my schoolwork to concentrate on. So please, Paul, please, I'm begging you, asking you if you don't mind.
Yes, me mind. Me mind to backside. For you not do nothing at the situation in a Rosie, man, and me alone I spend by your percent go to college, you know. Rosie, me say you what to do, you know, is just sit with the man, talk with him, reason with him, give him a little chops, you know.
A little what?
Me never say me stuck out the man tongue.
Paul, how can I put this to you for you to understand? Paul, for me to get involved with a man, any man, I have to first be interested in the man.
Oh.
The man has to catch my eye.
He must catch your eye.
That man does have a thing I'm interested in. So please, Paul, please, for heaven's sakes, stop trying to make an impossible link.
You're lucky. Opportunity like this comes but once in a lifetime. You're going to see the pick, choose and refuse till you pick up shit. The word that come out of my mouth good, eh? Yo!
Chicksalee in there?
Me no know, but me we check for you. Chinka, please, somebody out here to you.
What I'm here? You don't feel well? Banana, hold on. What?
Chicksalee, who was that? I said, who was that? Chicksalee, I said, who was that?
The blood clot,
Chicksalee, you are lying. I heard you say sugar. Came here. You embarrassing me again?
No, Daddy.
You are the another idiot, you know. You can't dance my money.
Hey!
Eh?
No, Daddy.
You can't dance my money.
No, Daddy.
The amount of money when me have in the bank, them tell for card me for come draw. The computer was show it blew up. You can't dance my money.
No, Daddy.
How much time I said to the Western Union?
Daddy. Me can't count too much time ago Western Union.
Me tired to make you go to Western Union. I said, now go back down there. Now go say the truth, the war for you now. And you come. Take up the job. And you come tell me about your big sugar, eh? Don't do it again.
But Daddy, me dey tired for every minute. Me I come to you for money. If you just give me one big sum of money and done.
Don't watch your face. All we are going on, me check say your brother when you sugar.
Ah! The sugar there!
Yes.
Daddy, you see my brother? It's sort of fun. money.
Yes.
Yes, when you meet a new girl, all for weeks and days, me not see my lie, me I tell Mr. Biggs.
Me look like one of them new girl to you.
No pay no mind here, Daddy. Daddy, you see like how far you come down, me not get to carry your gun wear.
Where are you taking me?
Daddy, but if me tell you it won't be a surprise, Daddy.
That's true.
You just go home and get dressed and then you come back.
Only why you send me home. Why you don't came down with me one at a time?
Daddy, me I go and get ready too.
Okay, here now, I bring 350 suit. Why don't you go choose one for me?
Daddy, you mean that?
Yes!
Oh my God!
I say I know my life will fly no shit.
Daddy, guess what?
Right.
What I choose, you won't refuse. Aren't you forgetting something?
No, I forgot. Oops.
We must reach this year.
Hey, yeah, me must reach already this year when me raise your offering.
You must be mad.
You mean you mad? After me distinctly look on you and tell you say, don't bring the man coming here. You want bringing to who you got to pay.
Mr. Biggs, remember that I promised that something in it for you.
And you think I know you promised something in it for me? And one thing me I tell you right now, anything like for me, make sure it's cash from my daughter college money for pay you.
And as I said that so, me I go beg you one little clubs and mackerel foot girl where you have inside ya. Because me and she now go stand in here and agree. And one of the for me sure no me now left out ya.
Yeah, me sure no say she not left out here because she are my blood. She a fear ways. You know you want wicked rascal and enough money have enough. Give me your money out of the money, man. Give me your money out of the money, eh?
I prefer me not discuss me with anyone.
Rosie, this is a collect rent. Why you not in? Make you not margin for me, so. Me collecting me rent, man. Come here. Come. Rosie,
Yes, Paul?
it's why you and the girl over here, sir.
That's not important. We're just two different people who should not have any social or verbal contact.
You come back with them French bad word again. Now, I tell you one thing now, Rosie. You feel lucky, say you're me blood, you know. Because you see, if you was me blood, I tell you about your blood is alright, you're me blood. You're me blood.
Hello again. Oh, I think I owe you an apology for mistaking you for a robber the other day.
Everything, Chris.
No, you don't understand. I mean, I jumped to the wrong conclusion and judged you wrongly.
Listen, everyone is entitled to their own opinion of something as someone. You hear me? This is a democratic country. Here you are. No cup, no bro. No coffee, no dash way. Everything, Chris. See?
Nice guy. I think I like him.
Like me, Ross, if you're talking about you like it, I get to your lick in your backside. Rosie, I hope you left $210 in there, no come tell you not finish them because it's very useful. Rosie, you could put this in the microwave, man, and make it a bit cold, so. I train on you from morning, that's why. Rosie, so when you not talk to me?
I have nothing to say.
But Rosie, man, you not understanding.
No, Paul. You don't understand.
No.
I'm not a baby anymore, you know.
Answer the phone. You make the thing I next door neighbor one. Answer the phone, run up the bill, no man.
Hello. Good morning. I'm fine. I'm not sure. No, hold on. Miss Ed, I need to know if you have the partner money.
Tell her me not there. Tell her. That's a listen to me to advise me. Tell me advice to me as well. I mean, I know.
Hello, Miss Ed, no? He's in the bathroom. You can't call back later? All right.
Tell her call back a man. Come in now. Come out. No. Tell her call back a man in.
Paul,
Yes.
you have to understand it. I'm not a baby anymore, you know. I'm 19 years old, Paul. You can no longer tell me who I should or should not talk.
But sugar.
He's a human being like everybody else. The fact that I said that I like him and I think he's a nice guy doesn't mean I want to go to bed with him.
But Rosie, tell me one daughter I know, man. Me no want to visit none of you, Rosie, man.
I understand that. But you have to allow me to make my own decisions.
Yeah, but they make the bad ones, them.
Paul, you got a chance to make yours, didn't you?
And me make a good one. Me never make no bad one.
Well, allow me to do that now.
All right, Rosie, all right. All right, me not pressure you. Family, they hire security to go watch you. Me tell them to not come. Me cancel it. All right?
Okay.
Me soon come here, me run go down a town. Never spend no head and partner money. She love me. Otherwise, she can't stay on money here. Next time she get fear money carry me. Tell her to me like that, children, I'm in a plan to come up in this week.
All right. Hello, morning. Kindly hold.
Where you big now?
Your call.
Get off, you quitter, you. Hey, talk. Oh, how you, Miss Adi? When you ring confidence, you come back to me, Adi. Hey, what? Imagine that up here. Me, this tinkly baby, one short set. And you put. What? Me not get it, you give me a short set? Of course. Then me not come down and kid. Then the same big nose, broad face girl sit down in your stall. They no shit, I'm saying never sit down thinking about it nothing. But see, are you brighty? No, I too old me sit down the final. I'm afraid like a tired charter for me where last week go back outside on this week. I'm not. Hold on. Look here, now don't make a tell about your look here. Nothing about a phone bill. Try wait.
What happened to your last?
Daddy, my migraine. Daddy, migraine. Oh, God.
What happened to your last? I want to know what happened to your last night.
Daddy, my head.
What?
Daddy, well, listen to me. Oh, God. Daddy, from last time, my head hurt me. I never have no pill inside here. So I have to take all the phone off and the hook up and just sit down calling on my head.
I go by the phone.
No, hang it up, it don't ring and don't disturb.
So now the first aid cut.
Daddy, I want some medication. I want some to take.
All right. I get 2 pills for
No,
you.
God, me just dead.
Chilali. You can't dead more, you know, gone in a foreign. Get up. You can't dead for me now, you mad?
Take time, Daddy, take
Me take time. So when you called me earlier on,
Daddy, me not call you, but me head. Take
you
time.
know me don't be afraid to work now, have a terrible headache on my chest.
Daddy, the head.
All right.
Daddy,
I'm
we
going
want
to
God doctor, Daddy. Daddy want money for God doctor.
one me circular. I'm going to give us someone to go to the doctor. I go to one of the best doctors. Wait, now me have more pocket, man. Chicali, smile now. Chicali, you mean to tell me how fast me drove in my car come up here and somebody really picked me into my own car? Chicali, you know what I have to do? I'm going to go down to the office, right? And I'm going to take up some money I care for you, okay? So I'm running off now, don't stop.
Daddy, come here.
No, I'm going to get the money
Come here,
for you.
Daddy. Look here, you say you pick up the money?
Yes.
I remember that.
Yes, man, I have to work with it. I gone.
When you Daddy, come here. When you pick up the money, nobody come back up here.
Why?
All you do, me take a taxi and me to the doctor and to see her.
Okay, I don't want that. Me just came.
Back to you, nasty nigga. And my body you want, and you can get $2,000 short, eh? Any man want the body, you have to pay down for it. What? Look here now. I will see you next time, you understand me? What? Look here now. Look here. Tony don't make me have nothing. Tony don't make me have nothing for my body. Me to come sleep with you tonight? Me to come sleep, this girl come church out and feel a piece of bed. Look here now, my bed put a rock. What?
Chicali,
Yes?
come here.
May I come? Look here, may I come check here? Yeah, man, may I come? I'm going to call back up here. I'm coming, sugar. See me here, with that right to the door. See me here, lover. Yeah, see me here, right now. What am I?
We are going to be
And we are saying, you think me want a girl come step on my shoes? You're lucky I have to do everything that's possible for hold my man. Who don't want to call for that man properly and make a next girl head hurt, they make them stay there. When you have a man on your own, you're going to treat him good because somebody is so wacky. Jesus, man, they're going to come like a have sex.
You don't.
You know what if me want done? Me not stop squeeze until time you see your face come to perfection.
Hi, sugar.
Cool, baby.
And when that reaches up?
Oh, where you at? Talk about?
Hi, sugar. Cool, baby. Look here now. Me can't take a bone in another girl body now. Me don't want you saying nothing of renting with that girl now. Me don't chat to you.
The woman says hi and bye. Something wrong with that. If you and I have something, me and I have nothing.
Yeah, tell me something.
So we have people go and suffer. Yeah, me. At times, stop living so insecure now. And start have some confidence in yourself. Yo, Chicali, are you, me love you, man. You ever see me walk up and look, woman?
You mean that, sugar?
That me just say, man.
Sugar. Sugar. You love me?
That me just tell you.
But sugar. Suppose something should have happened to you. Where that leave
Chicali is a very fool argument, man. No, man. Me no show you say me a build a foundation for me and you. Me have a business that put you. You see, as soon as you come through, everything quits with me and you. See?
Yeah.
You get what me say now?
Me understand.
So stop worrying intention, man. Here what me say now. Who am to your father? Me nah meet him.
Shit! As you said that so, me and my father supposed to go somewhere and I don't do what I wait for me. He might wait with a patient. He'll change my clothes and come to me.
You know so that girl there move fast. Yeah, shines. Yeah, you mean? Where am I?
Yo. Oh, show up.
Where am there? Where me tell the Chico?
Yeah, oh, show up.
Yeah, me Chico. Me want you go to shines.
Yo, you know now about everybody.
Chico,
Yeah.
what happened to the business where me supposed to put you?
You know what I mean, sir?
Yeah, me know. Me don't know open man things, you know.
Nah,
You say if I know me and you alone, no bother with this, see me?
I want to get my alone.
Next thing you know, go to shines and tell him say, I want my machine.
Show man, but you know some of the water, please.
Chico,
Yeah.
go to shines and tell him say, I want my machine, see?
Alright, you just said for me, try everything else.
Cool.
Bless it.
The boy that shines and can't what to take man to fuck with. After me lend them my machine. You know, bring back my gun from me, man. But you say, you know, that boy will never get fast and go down and go. Somebody's called like a bus tonight. Me and your bar, me gun, give me back my gun, man. Mistress. Jano. You could damsel.
Sugar.
What?
Where do you stay till me come back or what?
No problem. It's sugar.
If you see me when you come back, you see me.
Alright, if anything, it's not meat, then here.
My lamb. That girl there, I move fast.
You're still here?
Yeah, you expect me to go somewhere. Tell me something. Where you and Chikali out?
What did she tell you?
Then the teacher school say question and answer question.
Well, I was out here studying. She started playing her music very loudly. I asked her to turn it down, and she took on an attitude.
I Chikali that man. She don't mean harm, you know. I saw you stay, yo.
Can I ask you a personal question?
Run it, man, because you're inquisitive.
Are you and Chikali both the same father?
Hold on. I first never last much. Same what?
Same father, and you Chikali's brother?
Yo, Chikali, I'm a woman.
Oh.
So hold on, how you look so shocked?
Nothing really. I mean, you two do make the perfect match.
You really think so? Cause me I plan to get married to her, you know. I'm a wife that, you know.
Yeah, sure. I mean, she's loud, vulgar, and disgusting. And you know, you are just like,
Me like what? Me what? No, me what? Hey girl, a second time this year did this me no. I don't know nothing about me no. Yeah, me. Just speak. Yeah. Move. You know something I like you. And you see next time you ever cross me with again, you're not gonna like it. You're not gonna pretty.
Yo, I can't show you now.
Hold on.
Yeah.
This is trying to feel out. Because this is what we used to know.
Chico,
Yo.
you not talk straight. What you say?
Boy, you want to send a lot of machine and like...
Hold on. Back up. Where is that?
In the machine and sugar, he said it's over something that was soft to woman.
I said me must stop.
You really come in here and laugh? After you have me out of the doctor from about 4:15. You come in and come and laugh? What? Chicali, what the doctor say? Tell me now, please. Tell me what the doctor said about me.
The doctor said.
You gone back and say you scratch record? Tell me what the doctor said, baby. Do.
The doctor said I'm pregnant.
The rasp, for who? You're mad to blood. Yeah, you got man. Yeah, you got man.
What you mean for who? You know me have a next man? You know a man like who me come and dash your belly? Imagine my first video the father walk up this morning.
Chilali, don't cry. Chilali, if you talk so fast, and we can't contemplate. Oh, Chilali, if you talk like tiger, wap, will you wap? You think me a computer?
My daddy.
Chilali, it took me by surprise, yes. But me know when you're talking about the dash on the belly, man.
My daddy, this is my first use, and the father walk up this one. It's already in a month suspect me we get vexed.
Chicali, when you talk, man, you cry, man. We are crying for, Chicali, hear me now. You get the best, Chicali, and the best is yet to come.
You mean that, daddy?
If me mean it, go print some flyers. We're going to give a baby shower. You big Chicali. Sit down, man. Sit down, man. You ever got some name, Mr. Blackwood? I own a lot of houses, I own real estate.
But daddy, your house is not my house.
Everything this man cry. Anybody else cry too often and then wicked in a
You
man.
tell me about your house.
We are crying for.
When you tell me about your house, I mean I own a house in the Caribbean.
Yeah, let me tell you something, Chicali.
Yeah.
I have a house up a Oak Yard, you see? Up a Oak pasture, man. But one thing, it occupied. I give the tenant them notice, but them have a problem finding somewhere to live. Jesus Christ, you never hear the best part. Me say me have the house up a whole pastor, which by the aristocratic people them live. Me say me give the people them notice, but them have problem finding somewhere to live. So me give them another here. So as soon as the people them come out of the damn house, the house are your one.
You mean that, daddy?
Me mean it, man. Upstairs, downstairs, and the toilet. So you know what that mean now?
No.
You get big, international, bodyguard. And, Chicali, I got to tell you something. Me know why you do not have hard work. Anything you do, call me for me circular. Right?
Yes, daddy.
And you know, so you don't have to go change now. Enough milk and cheese and bread and crackers and butter. Yes. Yes, man. And if you want Chinese food, we will want Chinese man up and come cook some mackerel and dumpling. Your Chinese food serious, because Chinese man cooking it. Yeah, man. The oxen boy, man.
Daddy.
What now? Chikali, you don't know say all of this for me I do. This is becoming one of the best of my son, man.
Show your best.
Here
Me
I-
can't bother with boy and girl me want.
Chikali, you a get old and me a get young. Me you gonna far in. Me you gonna far in. Pamfocation. And the big sign mark, Blackwood Son and Company. Jesus, tell me if that not sound good. When me you gone the boy in the damn company, man.
Hi, Mr. Big Man. Me and you gone for vocation as to you. And you see the big sign, Blackwood Daughters and Company.
The way the controversy for. You can mark Blackwood Children and Company too. Chikali, man.
You
Come
mean
on,
that,
man.
Daddy?
If me mean it, I do it. Who make me in Jamaica now? You are the one. So me do anything for you.
So, Daddy, are you ready to become a father?
My heart is in your hand. So you take it from there.
So, Daddy,
Yes.
explain that more for me. Are you ready to become a father?
I want to come a father. I have a lot of picnic in foreign talk. 12 dollars. Who want to picnic ball at Jamaica? So put it down and bring it back and can't go along with some man. Who want a Jamaica picnic, man? I'm ready and waiting.
All right, stay right here, Daddy. I soon be back.
So you got the baby right now?
Just watch and see, Daddy.
I'll not come down. You take back some of my money and come in and you get. I don't eat pizza. Me tell you, this girl I really want to break me. I'm a bad man, friend. What you do is Nadine, let me ask you one question. How when you call me 12 o'clock to the farm for my free time? Nadine, when the hell me up here $20,000 a week for? You hear me now? Tell them the house of Franca for me now. So what, I don't know, so I said to Mr. Rankin. We can answer it again. All right, you hear it for me now? Tell them the place of 5 South Woodland Avenue. Then Nadine, every other children in England knows our JDC. Tell the government can't sell it, when the rascal can't sell it too. Nadine, you know me word anyway? Good. Well, find somewhere and sell the damn people them. Just make up any address and give the people them up. Just make up address then, Nadine. And remember for call it deposit. And you mean you can't find the address? You know what? Left this to me. Chikali! Chikali!
Yes!
What is the address up here? I will shut up it's a call. Chikali, me say what is the address up here? Okay, thank you. Nadine, tell him 5 birds sucker lane. And listen now. We soon have to go move the office and change the name of the company. That means we are relocate. Member now and collect deposit. Okay, thank you. Well, me I tell you, a 5 year now this woman I work for me and she can get a full cook set. You see, if I move it, me take that Maga woman in my office, I should never take her because she's too light to fight and thin to win. Can't win me, boy, I tell you. You know what, come go down at the office.
Now imagine me I brought down the whole place and come in and me say, Rosie, open the door. Rosie, open the door and duck. Look which way you got Ross duck. Suppose the shot they come in, come shot you. Jesus, please. Rosie, me say one piece of shoot out of St. James Street little while. One piece of shoot out little while. Rosie, you see when them bust it first shot and make a ratty jump there, see girl, right underneath Edna Stall.
Edna Stall?
No, her stall underneath Edna Stall. And the Edna Stall, I want you.
What happened? What happened?
This is Rosie girl. All me can tell you, all me know say people dead. Jesus, please.
Oh my God.
I want.
Oh God, no.
I want to die idiot. Rosie! Rosie, me never saw me get shot in now.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, baby.
Oh, Daddy.
Keep on the ocean, baby.
Daddy.
Oh, can you sit before that sign?
Rosie, I play a bingo in there.
Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, baby. I can't get out of the world, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, daddy. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Daddy! 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 When you ask your partner for you say another play bingo. We are time to miss her.
You know, I must call the girl. Hey, what happened? Yvette, what go on? Hey, boy, been a day, girl? Yes, sir. What? Yvette, you're lucky. Yeah, man. No, man. Yvette, you me I beg you do. Me day I do my nails them for later. Oh, you mean who me I carry? But you not easy, Yvette. No more Tony. Eh? Where me I go with daddy? Daddy, me can't take a man where I chat me now and then. That's why him come give me cellular. But watch when I go out with Tony tonight, I go and turn off this ras. Who? Sugar? Yvette, me I tell you God truth. At 2 weeks now, me not say Dr. Sugar, you know. So my time I just done face a police claim so me can move on with my life. Who you? And we have to tell me see happy Dr. Sugar now? Yvette, don't make a route to you. Me and your friend for years. Yvette, you know what buy? Because you come tell me about Sugar like you know what Sugar does today. Sugar not care a damn about me. And Sugar this barge in here and just jump up in a me.
Morning, Miss Chickali.
Morning, Mr. Biggs.
You know what time of the month it is to come the case man, me running, me go to town. You know
Hold on. All of my monthly business you got now.
I me love me not talk about your red flag. Me not talk about me rent flag. Pass up me money, please.
All right, you soon get your rent money, sir.
No, me not when me rent to the place up here, me rent to it right away. Me never tell me soon rent to it. Me want me money now.
All right, Miss Biggs, nobody come take me on.
Whether Miss, Mr. or Mistress, me still want me rent money. After them go on in a tool and I want to pay the little money, them I look argument with you. But you thinking I pay my money, want me money. Sure. You think that trust me, I trust people think when you see me go shopping. Yes, all long take to bring come that goes to show so she never have the money. Criminal and thief them, I don't know. Sure. Oh, you're lucky.
So your rent money, yes, sir.
Will you come over? Chikali. This not right. This not right. It seems that if you get it, that you're supposed to be paying me for 3 things.
How is 3 things that now, Mr. D?
1 for the rental of my place.
Mm-hmm.
2 for carry man coming here. And 3, you broke every rule in my house. You got to pay, run some money, come.
You know, son of man, you're one damn blasted wicked man.
You call me wicked? You mean you wicked? If me the wicked, your father would have this one a long time, and your brother box up in your face. You call me wicked?
Well, Mr. Biggs, I really true, you know. But you see right now, me not really have no cash at hand.
And well, I them things me tell you. All right, man, done, man.
Me go ask you.
You don't come on no pum bribe if you bribe out, man, and not pay their rent. It's all right.
Just give me a little more time. You see, as soon as daddy come, I'm going to make him check you, yeah?
No! Hello? Me no want no man come check me. When you see daddy tell him to come cash me, not check me.
Mark up on that, and next time I like how you can't chat to me.
You know, it would really help if you cleared up the kitchen after you used it.
Yeah, look somebody for serve a sentence for you. But me have better things to do. So you say if you hire a ride you, me I beg you go look a man.
And I guess your oil, as you put it, is riding you?
No, me love, me change my oil regular, very regular at that too.
I bet you do. The fact that you have your so-called brother and father to help you change it.
You know something? I tell your father, so tell him to take your raw mouth out of my business. And me I go tell him one last time, come I go take something and rass in your face.
Oh, but come on. The only thing I need to be warned about is a hurricane or something like that. Natural. But then again, you really look like a natural disaster.
Yes, dirty nasty quitter. Me's a natural disaster, but an independent one. Because you, with your high school brain and college big one, you can't look like me I got when me got.
Well, excuse me, my dear. Your definition of independent must be different from mine. You're sleeping with 2 men and can hardly afford food or clothes. And what's worst of all, you're still living in a boarding institution. That's not independent. You're a bitch.
Your mama and a bitch.
Oh no. Because the real definition of bitch came about when you were born. You know what's so ironic about this whole situation? Is the men you're using might be so stupid enough to love you, not knowing the person you are.
Everything Christmas.
2 weeks me not see me them all shut you up.
That a rumor. So what? You long to see me?
Yeah, me long to see you come me and cry.
So you greet your man when you see me 2 weeks? So what to you now?
Sugar, me I tell you, say, man. Sugar, me long to see you. Sugar, sit down.
Hold on. Stop it crying, man. Who want to you? Talk to me, man. Who want to you? Who want to you?
Sugar.
Don't tell me, say, somebody fuck with because somebody got dead. What want you?
Sugar, the money now, told me them know say me a gunman woman, not a man now walk near fear woman.
So, where you careful?
Sugar, I miss you long to see, you know. Miss up the last night, me laying on the bed. And me a cry. And me a say, Lord, it look like me baby I got born and have no father.
I want me think... Hold on. Wait, just say.
I think we baby I got born and have no father.
Chikali, you pray.
Pregnant.
That me just man. Stand up, yo. Sit down. Hold on, you pregnant?
Yeah, sugar, family.
This your long me tell us me put a pin in your gut. You say select now. Pow. You see your man bubble shot. Yeah. You know what I'm not doing. You have to go stop eating them careless food, you know. You have to start eat beer, steamed fish and crackers and okra. A beer, milk and cheese you have to go feed pan. And you have to stop the work, you know. You see if you want to move from desert to Yassa, call sugar. Because right now you don't have to do no work, your preps.
Watch ya. How the same thing daddy this about.
Hold on. You tell your father?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Me tell him, but him a go on bad. Him say no want a gunman take care of Pitney and grand Pitney them.
What the buck? Chikali, sit down there, sit down there, a little. Before you go any further, sit down right. You remember me tell you, say me have a little move for mash? Well, move mash and everything, Chris. Hold that.
Sugar, where you get so much money from?
No way yourself a year one that. You me not tell us that take you to the ghetto. You know, so me just pay down on a house I ain't sure for you.
But sugar support police.
You tell me no more police, but me tell you when me can do police can't do that.
Oh.
So you see right now move you. You see like how you them monks me through thick and thin. And you want to be my wife, your wife material. And it's like how you're pregnant, me want everything good for you. So don't go tell me fuck, bo your father, and talk about go. Who the ras tell your father that? Eh? Who tell your father? Me look like a gunman to you. Wow! How if you come how you come in this? Me ask you a question. I him breed you. I want me breed you.
I am.
But he come and now people. You know much things me got you bigger than you.
Let me ask you something. You see, I've done my father. And why you in here for 2 weeks? To box and you pick up yourself and gone. Everything me wanted on my father yard me
no matter can him fuck with you.
Oh, and I breed me. But I'm more like a milk and me got to. Little sugar and me got to. Little butter, little caramel. What the box are you in there? You come stamp through door. You know me eat and drink. You only know if you come jump me boy. And you come tell me about, hey, let me tell you, you know as a matter of fact, you know what I'm talking with you.
Hey. Tell us again and move fast. You speedy Gonzales. You see when you move them fast with it. You move and left my rasp back here. And I mean, start with you get rid of my you tagging it. Make me last time in years. Say that. It's my back to this. You go tell boy your papa. I pay a Franklin face na that. Boy, you go tell boy your papa. Yo, so you just up ago.
Sugar, 2 weeks you never there for me one little chat.
Me there now.
When me da go down, Yvette go do little.
Yvette and a me there. It's like about 2 weeks now, you know, see me? You know, so I want something. Man, shut up. Where you want it?
Just go, anyway I go by, let's go by. Oh, I want banana chips and cheese someone's getting.
Remember saying, you be a breed. Steamed fish and milk.
What a girl I can walk up people are doing. Jesus have mercy. I'm a friend, but she bitter. Hey, yes, Yvette. Do me a beg you do one little favor for me, see? Go along at Tony. Yes. Tell him say me now about come tonight. Yes, man. What you mean why? Me say me friend, me have to tell them at Tori and call me alone a friend. Me say the boy sugar him come back. Me say, girl, kiss me, mama blood seed. And the first me ever see so much money from the day me born. Me no know when get it. But guess the sweeter part right now, me girl. He might tell me same pin up for my house for me. What you say? Then guess what me tell him? Hey, Lord, my friend. Me say me tell him say me a breed for him. Then when the box said me not tell Blackwood. But Blackwood also take too long where you expect me to do. The ball is in my coat. Me just shift the belly from Blackwood to Sugar. Oh, what you say? How are you, my friend? Look here now. How are me? You idiot. This a girl, me not have to take my bird control pill them. You see me look like me idiot? 24/7, 44/8. You used to be a here? Pitting in a hang down an arcade and a jewel store. Yvette, come on, Yvette, between me and you. You already know the two hungry belly one of me are down a country with mama. And I can't hardly find nothing to send go give them. Where the backside me I go breed for and top a breed for. But see ya? Yes. Yes, man. Yes, Yvette. Yes. Yeah, man. Me will call you back and give more details. Me want to say. You see, Yvette, you see from me get the house. Me, ma. You will see how you hear the outcome of this. You see this a girl here? Me? Me. After me never come. Look here now. You switch for me, but me ban a V. Yes, Daddy. I will call about Daddy. I love you, Daddy. I know you're my father. Bye.
Where you get cellular from?
I'm a father, give me.
Star 69 number.
Fi keep check for me.
Star number.
Me don't know where my check up on me.
Star number.
Me don't know. Sugar. Sugar, now give me the food I left me out. Hey, Sugar. Sugar, if you come. Sugar. Oh, come.
today. So tell me something, you know language me too. So you're more just push up plastic. Yeah.
Yes! Me man buy me house. And me have money for stone dog. Hey! Lord, me vagina. As much as media say me is a natural disaster. And a bitch. Me bitch this give me a roof over me head and money in my pocket. Hey! Me clitoris. Hi! Me love, you over there, so. Come, me and go down the road, go get one and two man, come with me. Come down, because all you have, you know, a high school chat and big brain, and that can't spend a shop. So come, me love, let's go get you little man. What the passage, boy!
And all the catch you now catching a Ross, man. How much she there? Hey, Rosie, that time if I hype a girl out there, hype up off for you, you know. For me tell a girl so she not ready yet, you know. Come in and say she be chatting in your face and she a ooh, her. Rosie.
Trust me. That right there is really not important.
Rosie, you have to study again. You have to study. Let me know must done the red money, you idiot. Rosie, hear me now. Hear me now. Hear me now. I am, you see how me dress up too? Me dress in 9 night and funeral in a 1. Hear me now. You see 9 night? 9 night means bleaching. Bleaching means me now come back on the yard. Bleaching means me a go now and me now come back in the morning. Bleaching means you not fit out yourself. You fit in your room. You get the door. Rosie.
Yes, Paul.
Rosie.
Yes, Paul.
You see any shells put up in here?
No, Paul.
You see any bag of flour? No bag of meal? You see me have any things put up in here? Well, I don't want no rascal sugar up here. Come in and run the whole field up here. Rosie, little more. Now they have a charge for you.
Rosie, you finna make sure I come up and not chat, you know.
Don't you know it's not polite for you to take someone's paper unless it's given to you?
You didn't know saying a polite for back giving any this. Well, hear me. Me give you polite with advice, me. It's when I write essay on psychology, you must always state the facts, yeah? Right over there, that the word fuck.
Oh, really? I wonder why.
When you write an essay, you must state the facts, your opinion account, and that full up your opinion. Right over.
Sugar, how did you know that?
Because we are got through me been there. and done that. Me depend on next check. See that?
You know something? It's a pity you know so much and still act so stupid.
Why you talk about?
I'm talking about you running out here the other day with a gun in your hand, shooting up people and disappearing for weeks.
So how that bunny is on?
Tell me something. Is that the best you can do with the little education you've got? People like you are disgrace to your country.
Yo, yeah, this me again. My country that did disgrace to me. You miss cyber one go school and have the system.
Oh please, don't blame your delinquents on the system.
The data, me not blame none for the system because me don't know how to be this system. And you miss cyber one go school and I take everything at face value. Make me tell you something. Me don't know no father. And my mother take me a little bit and me send myself to school. I'm fortunate to come out with 5 O-levels and 2 A-levels. So I don't know if I could tell about system.
But that's enough for you to get a job of reasonable standard.
Guess again, daughter. Me left school and go bank go look work. And you know what they look up face girl down at the bank to tell me say my qualification Chris but because me stammer me can't get a job because that's not good for customer relations.
Come on, I mean that's ridiculous.
Ask your system that, yeah? When me think it can't get no worse, me left and go LOJ. Go look at a job as an accountant. No, me never talk to nobody. I never just sit down and do my thing. You know when you go batty boy don't look at me tell me say my qualification Chris, but company policy tell him say him no very plan nobody from Kingston 13.
It's an outrage.
Ask your system that. When me think it can't go no further, me left and go to a different company go look at job as a sales clerk. The people go look at me and tell me say, me need 5 years experience and a reliable motor car. No Kappa, tell me so. Me just left school. What the fuck me must get 5 years experience? How the hell me must get experience if nobody employ me? What the hell me must get car from? Me a thief? Yo, me go for enough interview. And me write enough application to me tell that. Because you see me out on the road and walk and I look walk. My whole life is in Kanyam. But you see me pop up this. A pussy don't ask me how much his experience is. My God live at Kingston 13. I will stomach this because you're a stomach here. Yo. So some man I get a $6 million month and not do one shit. Why some people just build and make it above the poverty line? Well, that last now to me. You say one thing me sure no. Me now hungry, got my bed hungry, you know. Please, no guy. Cause me I tell you say, if me hungry, a pussy gonna feel me nine. You know, go see. So you get that.
What are you trying to tell me that you're on?
Thief. A full-fledged devil taker. Me take on the CM system with the private me and many more like myself. And I use my own people less fortunate than me. You can tell me fuck about your system.
Sugar, I really think I owe you another.
You know who me one shit. All me I say, if you don't know the facts, don't pass no judgment. If you get the message, you got some.
Can I ask you a personal question?
Run it, man. You're not name is inquisitive, man. You see, Chicali, I'm a dead damsel lot, yeah? Because you see, when me do my crime and I do my time, and she are the only one missing in between time. So me check for her to the max. Me check for her way up. You have a problem with that?
No.
I will. Question answer, yeah.
Another one. You think she loves you?
Me now work with the love thing. A spirit take a do it.
Well, I think maybe you need to find someone who loves you as much as you love them.
Hold on, yeah, try to tell me something.
Alright, I'll show you.
Shoot me no pull the trigger, me sorry. That Mr. Sugar Sir, you chicali. Mr. Sugar Sir. You chicali couldn't go on in a room that slackness. So hold on.
Then the business start.
You know what, Pa? I'm sick and tired of this nonsense. Every day it's the same damn thing.
Yeah, come on, something else.
Come here, follow you.
Yeah.
Anywhere at all you go. And we have to play the next time you want.
I'm old enough to know what I want to do and how I want to do. How I want to do.
Hey, what are you? slim up your bum up here. Put foot out of you. Me tell you already. Me say, I are your father up here. And me piss you out and never you.
Papa, you don't understand.
Understand me, rascal? Oh, let me tell you when me understand. Me is your father up here. And me say you're not there with sugar, that means you're not there with sugar. If you insist you go there with sugar, see your clothes there, see the door there, me no need to tell you the rest. Gotcha. Me rather this one your backside. One of it own you, you can know say you're there with gun, man. After me no want a trigger food picnic. All the while, me tell you, say, don't do with this blasted bad boy. All the man do a sugar bun in your friggin' face. Box you up. Breed out and make a football team out of your cock. But no. All right, man.
Pa, I'm sorry it has to end this way. But I'm an adult now. And if you can't respect who I want or what I want, then I guess it makes no sense. Bye.
Watch out. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Bang! You must think so that can't move me. You know enough money me spend pan on me now. Give up son. Pop on me now. Give up I walk at any of the God if I don't send fat off of your ass, something wrong.
But the bag is still in your pocket, bag. Rosie, stay here there. Can I get you?
Rosie, me talk to you 1 minute, please. Me talk to you 1 minute, please.
Yes, sir. Check about pocket and right now. Yes, sir.
I thought you said everything that you wanted to, Pa.
If I never one thing in a Rosie, me tell you, me take your jaws and stuff in a neighbor's mouth, you know. I tell you the truth, you know, because neighbor chat too much. Rosie, me don't want you to there with this boy. Me don't want nobody to see you with this boy. Rosie, him not fit you. Rosie, him is not for you.
Pa, listen to me. The guy is nothing like what you described. Pa, have you ever spoken to him before?
For what? What we are chat to him for? What me and him a whole argument for?
Pa, that's it. I mean, you can't just jump to conclusion and judge somebody you know nothing about. I mean, everybody has their faults, but if you just give him a little time, you might just understand him.
Understand who? You know, say the first time I meet that boy, I was looking on the barrel of his gun. Me done make up my mind about him already. Oh.
Pa.
And me know, he come here to him sister, whether me like it, yes or no.
I will to answer that question. Another thing. Did you know that Sugar has 5 O levels and 2 A levels?
Let me not say blasted boy handicap or your name, believe me. Me tell you say handicap, me tell you.
You knew all along that Mr. Blackwood and Sugar are Chickalee's lovers.
No, I never know one thing. Me never know. Little Jew up, man. Me didn't know, man. Me start to knowing about. True, me never want to know. Me never make it known. So me don't know.
Just cut that. Just cut it short.
Okay.
I mean, you knew this all along and you still had them in here playing around like little children.
Well, Rosie, to tell you the truth, it's 2 reasons. Sugar going to come here whether me like it, yes or no. And you see, Daddy? Daddy got the money.
Oh,
Wow.
that's blackmail.
Whether black, white, or purple meal, me are the postman. And me say me no want no sugar up here, so me no run a blasted what seal up here.
Hey! Well, you don't have to worry about him any longer. Because he and Chickalee are going to be leaving here pretty soon.
I lie, them a go foreign.
No, he paid on a house for her.
He paid on a house for her who?
For Chickalee.
He who paid on?
Sugar.
Sugar paid on for her house to Chickalee's?
Let me tell you all.
No, well on. Can you run it for me? Maybe Sugar paid on for her house for Chickalee's?
Exactly.
Jesus, peace, I wonder we left a ball.
She told Mr. Blackwood that she was pregnant just to get a house. As soon as she found out that Sugar paid down on the house for her, she just switched her pregnancy from Mr. Blackwood to Sugar. And I heard her telling her friend on the phone that she is not pregnant.
Hold on, little bit, man. Hold on. Take it slow again. What you say? She shift the belly from Blackwood to Sugar.
Right.
Now, so this a rascal girl if you go play football. She go join the football program.
Paul,
No man, she too skillful.
not only that, you know. Not only that, she's playing with two people's emotions here. That's why we should...
Keep we mouth shut. We not gonna say nothing more about the whole situation.
Paul,
What?
this is happening under your roof, you know. Do you have any idea what could happen if they both should meet here?
Rosie, you know, say you have a pint.
Okay.
Rosie, you have a pint for you, you know. Rosie, hear me now. Before me forget, me tell you, if you hear the phone ring, me know say I'm not gonna call me for your money. Tell her I am not here. No, me come out of bathroom, me follow next one here, but then too good. Me come out of bathroom, you hear? Tell her I'm not here.
Well, you have to seriously think about what you're going to do.
Hey, answer the phone, man, you run up the phone bill.
Hello? Oh, hi, Miss Edna, how you doing?
That woman going to live long.
That's fine. Yeah, school is fine also.
Hey, me not here. Remember, me not here. Me not here. Rosie, remember to say me not here.
Paul,
Eh?
it's your girlfriend, Miss Edna.
You never tell us I'm not here.
She heard you already.
She heard me already. So why you never mute the phone and star 69 and tell us I'm not here? It's alright. It's quite alright. Hello, this is Mr. Biggs. You can call back at any moment. This is your voicemail. Bye. Me tell the Ross woman, tell me that. Hello, me just come in. Who is it? Edna? Lord, you did catch me. Me just step in here. Yes. Me know it. Send me the answer the Ross. Yes, Edna, yes. All right, yes, me I come down here now. No problem, me coming, yes. All right, me coming, good. Rosie,
Yes,
you know,
Paul?
see me, I want you back and put on body place round. You know, see if I sink or the sister.
Tangent, Paul.
Yes, man.
You don't have any time.
Bite the bus like a head, now they go bang that Ross. This one come.
Hi, sexy girl. Is Chicali home?
No.
Do you know where she went?
Well, that's a stupid question.
Why my question so stupid? Oh, I forgot that the Chicali doesn't spoke. So what happened? Is you alone here?
Apart from you, obviously, yes.
So where's your daddy?
He's not here.
He's not here. You know that I'm glad that you alone is here. Hello. Hello. Now watch a Ninja Turtle, 'cause I'm not going to bite you. You know I always want to talk to you in private.
What about?
Well, when the first time I came up here and I saw you, I said to myself, you look like a nice little girl, and I was wondering if you having a boyfriend.
Many.
Many? You can't have one. Why you have to have many?
Mr. Blackwood, I'm in college. Boyfriends are a must. If you ask if I'm seeing someone intimate now, that's different.
So do you intimate with somebody?
No.
That's very good.
Why is that very good?
Rosie, I'm coming straight. I'm not going bend. Rosie,
Excuse.
I know you want somebody who can take care of you. And I know I can do that. Just try me there, Rosie. I can.
Hold on. Let me see if I'm understanding you.
If you
clearly.
don't understand it, overstand then.
You're suggesting an intimate relationship between you and I?
Yeah, you're Rasta. Yes. Anything wrong with that, I will give you anything you want.
So Blackwood, you can give me anything I want, but what I need, no, that's different.
Say what you need. What you need?
By the way, Mr. Blackwood, how old is your daughter?
My daughter?
Your daughter, Chikali?
Chikali? Chilali. To tell the truth, I don't remember her age.
Well, would you have a relationship with your daughter?
Lord, the girl I tough you, man. They not fuck Chikali. No.
Excuse me?
No.
Run that by me again?
No, my tongue slept. I mean, Rosie, you think it's a family rabbit?
I wouldn't know.
Chikali is my one and only daughter.
Well, Mr. Blackwood, having a relationship with me is just like having a relationship with your daughter.
Why, Rosie, it makes them force water over hill?
Exactly.
Why your head tough like wood? Anyway, we can't be friends then.
Friend?
Mm-hmm.
I have a problem with that.
Okay, all right, we are friends then, right? We're not fighting. What about get out to dinner? A movie, a club, like cactus up on the Ross?
I'll think about it, alright?
Rosie, you're going to think again you don't be here this morning? Rosie, we are friends now. We no can't go out. Anything under that?
Mr. Blackwood, I'll think about it and let you know. Now, please excuse me.
One what you feel.
Excuse.
One man. Well, me I tell you, I don't know what I don't try. Aye. Hey, my mind black, you know. But one thing, the black and the berry always be the sweet and the juice. You are idiot, go ahead. Okay, you idiot.
Sugar more sweet than you, man.
You must know kind of, drink him already. Yeah. My belly, Lord, my belly. Hey, my belly. You know, so I crave for this this. You know I crave for this it. I'm step around and go shop around this. You know, so two them are coming now. I'm going to go to one bar around us. Gas interritress. Rosie! You know, so she export to me drink. Rosie! Can I borrow your bathroom, please? Thank you, Rosie.
Yeah, right now.
Of course they are right now, because all you have to do is explain yourself. Because me come see you half naked and a girl half naked. They don't must expect me to get suspicious.
You get suspicious to my your judge or your jury.
Jewelry.
Everything all right. Everything is yeah.
Of course.
So you don't know this year ago.
Eh.
Me hungry. Want some food, work for some food, yo. Hold on, Nick. Are you that, yeah? Are they really see that for the house, yeah?
I don't really think my eye show me.
Look body for food.
Sugar! How really mind you about the house now? Lord have mercy, me who will get me a house, me can dash you the belly now.
What a laugh! Rosie, you bought through this computer, me flush water goes up. Rosie, fix me up. Rosie, we love to see that girl chicken in pocket tea. Every time she come up here, she stone me. She say, I don't like her. Fix me up. Rosie, if something like this happens to me, will you help me out again?
Definitely, Mr. Man.
Okay, thank you, you're so nice. Anytime you can come here, call her H.E. Out of a market.
Yes, hello, yes, Daddy. Guess what I just called to tell you? When you come, you see nobody come to the yard. No, Daddy, the landlord buy 2 big house station dogs. Him tie them right on at the step, Daddy. Daddy, you mean you can't give them nothing? Me live here and them and know me, no, Daddy. Me don't want them eat you. No, Daddy, let me tell you what you do. Oh, please, Daddy. Daddy, all you have to do, just blow and me come out and call me. All right? Daddy, just ease yourself now. Me say the dog, them will yam you. Yes, Daddy. Just blow and me come to you, all right? All right, then. Bye, Daddy. Love you. Mr. Biggs! Bigger fool! Mr. Biggs! I'm gonna let the drunk cry feel like me a bigger now.
Lick that rash one more time and something like man for your bum up here. Where are you down me door for?
You know me I beg you for do? You see that all-starving dog we have inside there, so? Me I beg you feed it before me charge you murder for
you. See zoom mark on me door there, you see me have stray animals in my room.
And you know what? The other thing I call you about.
Eh.
You see for the little time when me have left inside there, so? Me I beg you fix your little piece of also jump so brave. Step where you have round there, so?
All you chat French too?
Because me a breed. And me not want your step drop me, make me lose my picnic.
You mean for me step I can't feel me wait for much years now? I go broke with you and feel little. Oh yeah, breed. Ross, you rent just raise. Yeah, breed. You rent just raise, you're breeding. Me telling you bring nobody come in here, you bring breeding come in here. The rent raise. Remember me tell you say the rent raise.
Nobody come create the excitement for me and my belly, you know. Because me tell you, the little time I have fix that backside. Because me don't want to lose the man picking. I'm very delicate and me don't chat to you a big swampy man.
After done galang or Duracell battery. You come let them use or refuse Bugs Bunny. Galang.
Paul,
Eh?
you know that girl's an accident just waiting to happen?
Yes! I'm here the trailer for she come crash in now. Sure.
I have a feeling she's up to something.
Me not know if Friday night now come out here, you know. Sure. And the only thing she's also up to in a Rosie is either she up to pay me more rent and up to come out of my house. Backside man, me want with a knife to clean up my place now, man.
Something fishy is great.
Something fishy. Rosie, I believe you. Something fishy I go on for real. Something fishy I go on. Rosie, well on there. Make her go check my partner money. Because I would like to have my partner money gone. Yes, Rosie, everything well checked.
Chocolate!
Everything well.
Chocolate! Stop the gaming and game!
Daddy, I'm coming!
You hear me like that, why?
Daddy, I'm coming!
All right, Viceroy.
me drove.
What?
That's what he said with you.
No.
Then how she don't drop just so.
I really believe that story.
Me, I never believe a word that happened out there. I sorry and then daddy dead me call one of them black station workers to come take out the bag.
You know something? Let me go have a look at that broken stick.
But Rosie, you know say come to think of it, you know say I does this man in the which this man not too long ago the girl look at me and say, fix me step, Mr. Biggs, fix me step. And all of a sudden she just got drop on me step broke, sir. No, sir.
Take a look at it. Does this step look like something broken or something sawed?
Rosie, trust me, you must be a defective to Ross boy. Something really fishy for you, man. No, sir, that the step they broke, it broke pretty.
You know something? Sometimes you have to fight fire with fire.
Yes, Rosie, I guess you're right, too. For who got that bun better cut our Ross road.
You're faint on me.
You want me to help you?
No, we got him, man. We got him, man.
Was she alright?
Okay. I carry her to the best doctor in Montego Bay.
Yeah, Jen Violet, can you
No.
drink, you know, you go for you.
Mommy, I'm the best doctor.
Eh?
I carry her to the vet. She okay.
You want some dinner? You want some dinner? You want some dinner? Yeah, me know, call Mickey Mouse, me know. Me know, not do your ass, me know. Trading face for a full moon, watch him. Only watch it your fool and take for idiot. Watch him.
Mr.
What
Biggs.
him to?
Mr. Biggs.
Yeah, if you want Marcus Garvey, then anything behind you, watch him. Me I tell the truth, you know, me what's your mother, you know, me I tell the truth, you know. And me see you, me what's your mother, me see like you come out, you know, me running up.
Mr. Biggs. Do Chicali told her that she was pregnant.
You forgot Chris man, the ugliness man is a sin. Not here for a baptized man, you want to go in the water, what a man ugly man. Jesus, peace, boy.
Mr. Biggs, do Chicali told her that she was pregnant.
You forgot star movie, man. You forgot star some horror movie or something. What you say about pregnant then? Hey, vampire, what you say? Critters, what you say?
The artist there.
Ninja Turtle, what you say?
Big man, I want question me ask there, you know.
What you say?
He said Chicali told her that she was pregnant.
Yes, she told me that she was pregnant, but she never tell me it was for who.
Big man, this way your cars now.
What me call?
All the cars where they are running step that she told her to fix. She drop and lose. Jesus.
She jump and do what?
She lose my first son in a big man.
After your son!
This is my first grandson, man.
Yeah, you put on grand panic now, your ass, you granny top. You put on grand panic.
And I do that she lose a baby then. All the cars where they are put the rotten stuff in a big man. And you are the ram and you are the cars right there.
You know, me a boss. Me a boss. Me a boss. Aye! Come on, if you never tell me where boss food or ass, boss right here, I know. Hey! One me now. Yes, come! Come! Yes, I am free. camp on.
That man is so crazy.
You hear that about here never come in a year 2000, they a long time. I true, we not see them. Rosie, why we have to take one thing, make one thing laugh, see? Me now tell a lie now. Rosie, why they say when you feel the water dead, you go dead, you know?
What you talking about, Pop?
But me talking about you whole hand, man. You think I take sugar down here while I go on yet? I make it... What? Shut her there. God of His mercy. I want to know how to hold me and big, so because I go deal with him, so because I not deal with him. Rosie, come here talking to you.
Come here.
Not talking to Rosie. Oh, what you want?
Excuse me, hello? Get your hands
Me
off.
not talk to you. Move!
Come Rosie, make me
Go,
move
go,
here.
go, go. Where go, sir?
God, kill me now.
Tell me something.
Yes.
Chica, he never warn about this step.
She want the body step, yes, but
So why you never fix it?
then I fix it sugar star.
How you make my woman Japan and hurt herself? And the worst thing about it make me lose me youth.
Lose your youth. Lose your youth. Yeah, next one here about them wicked bumpy boss.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah, me I hear you.
Me I go up the road, you know.
Oh,
And you see when me come back in here,
yeah,
make sure
yeah.
say Chica Lia breed.
Yeah,
Make sure I say my one.
I hear one. What is true to me is dead to me.
You just listen to me. Your boyfriend just come and threaten my father about your so-called pregnancy, which we both know is not true. Since when Sugar gets back here, you're either going to tell him the truth or I will. I also tell him about your so-called brother and uncle and cousins and everybody else, alright?
Dirty, nasty crablows, whole rotten egg, whole actual Lego caterpillar. Go and tell Sugar, dirty, nasty, careless girl. Who you think Sugar will believe, you or me? Sugar already love me like cook food and you, and nobody can change that.
You know, you're the reason why some women are classified as bitches.
Hi, me love, them they see, no stop use cassette and CD we are on now, come.
How in the hell you can be so cool? I mean, the guy really loves you, you're just using him. Does he have a conscience?
Me nyami.
I bet you did.
Me nyami forget what me want. Little nasty pork about the cheese, nibble up all lamp and stale bread. How do me a talk? Oh, you think I know what you're up to? Dirty careless girl, as a man step through the door, you fly down upon him like drunk up on dead meat. You feel like me never see him so black with the other day. All dirty ox. Hold on. Hold on, no, not a backside, that one is not real. I'm not real I can't read. Hold on. Dirty nasty careless drunk up. Let me ask you one personal question. A sugar you want? A sugar you want? If you want sugar, you can take him dirty girl. Because you're alley but now you're going to walk for him. Come and walk and get to me to get some sugar. So I'm dirty nasty alley. Walk out, you know, good.
Yes, Chica.
him how everything go. I mean everything. You see, if I not tell him how everything go, watch me here. We're going to broke up your ass.
Your school day is just done. Rosie! Mr. For your school day is this done. Dragon Jim, here she come. Hey! Miss Chickali, you could have mash up, you could have crash up, and you breathe your same way. Picture of the man. I beg you put on one picture of sugar up on the bed front. Maybe can look on it when they are right. Just so the man pick the car come out fear by you. Hey, as a matter of fact, me not breathe nothing. Me not in nothing. Oh, it's alright, but you wait till when sugar come up. Hey, I choose sugar no know, you know. You see when sugar take up when me put on long time, you know. Hey. You will think about when she wants to say, man, a Zeke, so paddy, so weird. Lick him in the eye, I'm going to take out him gun and box him in the face. A fool that. You know. I can't get a little tough girl about me if you breathe that. That look like sitting can breathe. Hey! I want to be like a string on a yes! What's that? No. Bamba cloud. Mr. Sugar? Mr. Sugar? Yeah, fuckery, yo. Mr. Sugar? Mr. Sugar, sir? Now watch no face. Now watch no face. That's some more time, you know. Show me what you cut the plate, you know. More time you do go singing and me do look, you know. You know? You know? Yeah, man, me I sit down, but you know.
You see where I'm to Chickali? Just forget that, see me?
You know that me a long time, man.
That to anybody.
Ah, yeah, it me have said too.
Me have a serious thing me have put here right now, yeah?
Yeah, me a listen.
I'm going to talk to you as a father. Because me don't know no father.
Oh. Where gone there? Where gone?
No.
Still have the gun.
Miss Abby, big.
Yes, me listening.
Moi, I ask you one question.
No, it's alright. You can sit down on it. That's alright. Sit down on it now. That's alright.
Suppose you work hard to achieve something in life, see? And the man are going to try to deprive you. Suppose you find the man who are trying to deprive your own. Where you do the man?
Well, gun pan man waste, bullet now waste. But sugar sir, that drunk cause the world not level, you know, I look like a true.
Yo, you know, say the worst thing I have to say me go buy a house with Chicalino.
You are gonna buy a house? Yes, you are gonna buy a house with Chicalino.
I'm going to a real estate place, go pay down for a house, you know.
Oh.
Now you see when me go Irish, we go look on the house. The people in the house are going to tell me, say, the house, nah, selling it.
And then take your money?
So me go back down on the real estate place, go find out buy my money.
Of course.
The girl down there go tell me, say, she don't know nothing about my money. And me see she a pack up about, she a go relocate. Yo, Mr. Biggs.
Yeah.
Me don't lick woman, you know.
You don't lick them?
But me put on the pressure upon that one then.
Oh.
You see me start little tough girl. She no want to tell me about my money. She tell me say me was going to talk to her boss. Me say,
Talk to
girl,
boss?
where your boss name? She no want to tell me. Somebody just put me name down in her mouth. You know?
What you mean? She must start now.
No. She tell me say, the man name, Blackwood.
Blackwood?
Mr. Big,
Eh?
you believe in life after that?
Me never tried yet, so me not know.
Who name Blackwood?
Blackwood? You notice I don't know who named Blackwood? Me didn't know what Whitewood, but me don't know if you get black here.
Mr. Big,
Yes.
you don't know nobody named Blackwood?
No. Me not know no Blackwood.
Me yourself come there here afternoon. And me ask that again, Mr. Biggs.
No, ask
You
me.
don't know.
Don't ask me. Don't ask me.
Blackwood.
No, sir, I don't know Blackwood. Me nothing.
Well, let me tell you this.
Yeah.
You see anybody you come across when know the man there, tell him say sugar say.
I see 9. Yes, sugar, you look hungry.
That mean?
Eh?
Somebody got there.
Somebody got dead. Somebody is going to dead. You see, throw me the name somebody, me name Mr. Biggs, me know me not dead. Rosie! Rosie!
Yes, Pa.
Yes, man, when you me tell them off the top chat to next door neighbor. Look at you, make us some money.
What is it, Pa?
How did you come and run back around there fool round with?
No, Pa.
I walk on Mr. Gunter, you're around there with you know. Oh. Yeah, me know, you know, I'm to Mr. Blackwood.
What?
You know, you said don't mix up him name in a fraud.
What?
Not what? You hold on, man. Wait till when he come back up here. A judgment. Sugar, so me must ask him if he believe in life after death. Yes, ma'am, you ask him. Me not know what's a sick man do already. Me not know you can't do it again.
So what happened, Pa?
How you mean what happened? What you mean what?
What was
Hello, people. Please to come up out of the Exodus. I said, please to even out of the Exodus.
Brown sugar up there.
Kiss girls.
That's right.
Underprivileged boy, and some people today.
Me say, if I do him, blood.
Kiss girls.
Again.
So, big man, let me ask you a question. When you think of yourself, you have to be boss.
Backward. Rosie.
Me can't talk, me in a coma.
Chickali, are you follow that?
Chickali, is your brother that?
Oh God, man.
got you yet. Mr. Blackwood, meet Sugar, Chickali man. Sugar, meet Daddy, Chickali man.
Chickali, let me ask a question. Who you breed from?
Newsflash, darling, no.
What?
She tell Blackwood say she a breed just forget her house. As soon as she hear say you pay down for her house, yeah. She don't just switch your young belly from you to Blackwood. Wait, me not done yet. She go out the door, go start on my father's step. Drop herself and claim so she lose the belly. Me not done yet. She have two hungry belly picking down the country when the bad thing don't know about. Alright, me I tell Chickali. Please. Hold on there. You're dumb. Fucker you. Hey, and remember the saying let's say who laugh best? Hey, me vagina. Lord, me passage. Whoa, me clitoris. Baby love, me just done.
Chickali, how you fit do this?
Hey, not even mention Almeida.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me
And
what?
my money, me I defend.
It's money. How is
Your
my...
boy, know you name Blackwood.
Say what, man, I don't tell you Blackwood, man, Blackwood no come on.
No, you own a real estate agency.
I don't want no way. Mr. Sugar, I look at cool me born up a flank about 2 minutes pitch fine. A pitch pipe board me use and a beer smoke me get, so me lose all the plastic bag them too. I mean Mr. Sugar man.
I know you name Blackwood.
Say, me say I mean name Blackwood, I mean I don't care name Blackwood man.
You saw me go to a real estate agency?
Eh.
The girl down there give me him number, yeah?
So Mr. Sugar, we never kill the girl before the girl give the number. You know I move right man. So we can't go with Mr. Sugar like coming the way night.
Big man.
Them not gonna say big man, there's some pocket long. Never in know if you answer my phone, no I follow son me have a hurry. Sorry low.
Tell me something, Mr. Blackwood. What color coffee you want?
Jesus Christ, me dead now. Jesus Christ. Sugar.
Tell me something, big man. You know, pray.
Sugar, please.
Mr. Big.
Yes.
Call the police.
Call you.
Tell them say 2 dead bodies.
2 dead. We are going to make it 3. We are going. 2 dead. Mr. Sugar, sir. Yeah, me don't love if you shot them on nothing here. Rosie, be careful of the bully. Careful. You can't deal with Rosie now, you know, Sugar. You're my son-in-law now. You can't come there with her now. Yes, Rosie, hold it going. Listen to her now, Mr. Sugar, sir.
Where about door?
See you over there.
Sugar!